Akins from Femtech Computer Institute, a place where we build the computer gurus. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic which is titled, Should I Learn Tech Skills? Should I learn tech skills? I believe you guys can hear me. If you cannot hear me, please just drop a comment or drop notification. Just drop a comment if you know you cannot hear me. And Femtech, in summary, Femtech is a place where you can acquire computer skills, different computer skills, maybe on packages like cyber security, packages like web programming, front end, back end, full stack, and graphic design course. Also, you can also acquire the skill of social media management, digital marketing, Python programming, and so on and so on and so on like that. If you want to make more inquiry regarding our training, you can send a WhatsApp message to the school secretary on +234 8138 36 73 73. Now, let's go straight to business. The question is, should I learn tech skills? Now, this is a big question that many people ask every day. People come down, even they send WhatsApp messages and even put a call across and ask that same question. Even friends, students, they discuss this. Should I learn tech skills? Now, the simple answer to that is this. Yes. Irrespective of whatsoever you are into. Yes. Irrespective of whatsoever you are into, whether you are into maybe a management course, or you are into business, you are running a business, whatsoever you may be doing, you need to acquire tech skills. Yes. Now the question now is, if I need to acquire tech skills, does it mean I'm going to switch career to tech from that career? Now, the simple answer to this question, you can acquire tech skills and still retain your career. How does it sound? You can acquire tech skills and retain your career. I believe you guys can hear me, right? What do I mean by you can acquire tech skills and still retain your career? If you can hear me, please just tap on the like button. Tap on the like button. Just tap on the like button. Yes. Tap on the like button. Tap on the like button. Now let me continue with what I'm saying. If you are acquiring tech skill, do you need to switch career to tech, or you just need to retain what you do? Oh, thank you. Or you just need to retain what you do and acquire that tech skill. Now, the answer to this is simple and it's straightforward. It is possible to switch from your career to tech.
if you want to. And it is also possible to retain your career, still stay in your career while you acquire tech skills. Every career you may find yourself now require tech skills. Because of what? The use of computers, the use of technology. So if you are the type that you still run a business, or you are still working in an organization whereby you still do something manually, definitely, if care is not taken, in no time that business will do what? Will definitely run down. It's not just it's not a cost, and it is from the look of things, from the look of technology, things are improving rather every day. Things are improving. Technologies, new things keep coming up. So if you are the one that you love manual, I love to take documentation, I love to write down. Yes, it is good to write down. It is good to have list of clients, list of customers written down. But at of this age of technology that we have, everything has to be what? Everything has to be computerized. Computerized. Everything needs to be computerized. So we have left that age of paperwork, writing, keeping files, keeping lots of files in where? In the office, piling up files. People don't do that again. You can only do that maybe for reference reason, but most of these things now needs to be what? Computerized. And that is where the technology is going. So even though you don't want to switch your career to another career like tech, you can still you can remain in your career and acquire tech skill to boost that career. If you want to boost your career, you need to bring in tech into it. Otherwise, you won't do what? That field that you find yourself will just do what? Will not grow in technology. When people are doing things that needs to be online, when people are doing things that happens to be maybe cloud computing, and you're still there doing things in your own old-fashioned way. This is what I know how to do. This is how they do it. Things are not done that way again. Things are not done that way again. So you need to do what? You need to acquire tech skills. Even though you don't want to switch to another career, you need to acquire tech skills. So now, which of these tech skills? Let me list tech skills that are in vogue now that you can learn. We have a lot of tech skills for 2025 that you can venture into, and you will begin to do what? You will begin to skyrocket. Yes, before you know it, you will see that you are making good cash, even while you are at your comfort, at your home, in your comfort, without leaving the comfort of your house. You make good cash with it. Now, the tech skills which I'm going to highlight are, we have so many, but for 2025, the tech skills that you need to acquire if you want to go into any tech are, the first one, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is what? It's all about, with increasing in cyber threats now, cybersecurity skills are essential for protecting company data and what? Infrastructures. Cybersecurity is very, very important now. So you can go into cybersecurity if you want to acquire tech skill. You can decide to choose cybersecurity if you want to learn, and cybersecurity happens to be a sought after out there. A sought after out there. So if you are into cybersecurity, definitely you will get a job. You will get a job in no time. Cybersecurity. Now, another tech skill that you can go for, another tech skill that you can learn is cloud computing. That's another one again. Cloud computing. Now, as more companies shift to the cloud, definitely cloud computing skills are becoming science as are becoming increasingly important. Yes, as because people are shifting from what? From this manual savings. They are shifting from saving directly to your computer to where? To the cloud. So cloud computing skills are becoming increasingly what? Important. There is job for people that are into cloud computing. So if you acquire that skill, you will not be left out. You will definitely get a job if you learn cloud computing. That is number two. Number three that you can go for as one of the tech skills that is trending now is data analysis. Data analysis. Now, you can go for data analysis, you can acquire the skill when it comes to data analysis. Now, data analysis is the ability to analyze, interpret data. The ability to analyze and interpret what? Data. Yes. And this skill is more what? Of a hot cake out there. Data analysis. So you can learn data analysis and in no time you will get a job. Yes, enough of you going from one place to the other, looking for a secretary job or looking for something and they pay you less. You can acquire a tech skill that will pay you more and you will become what? A sought after. A sought after. You even begin to compare the salary. This is small. This is manageable. Let me do this. And maybe later I will do what? I will switch. Or I will look for a better company. So if you acquire data analysis skill, you will become a sought after as well. Another one again is another tech skill that you can learn. Number 4 now. Software development. Software development. Now, when you are talking about software development, we'll be looking at coding skills, particularly in languages like Python. Coding skills, particularly in languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, building of what? Which we use in building of what? Websites, mobile apps, and what? Software. So we are talking about tech skills that you can go for in 2025. Software development is not exempted. Software development is not exempted. Tech skills that you can go for in 2025. Software development is not exempted. Take note of that. Software development. And I said we're talking about software development. We'll be talking of what? Like coding skills, particularly in languages like what? Python, JavaScript, Java, to build what? For building of websites, mobile apps, and what? Software. So that is another tech skills that you can apply for in 2025 if you want to apply for tech skill. Another one again that you can apply for, still under tech skills that you can apply for in 2025. Another tech skill is what? AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning. Now, which one is AI and machine learning? AI is an abbreviation for what? Artificial intelligence. Now, these technologies are transforming industries. The AI and the machine learning, that means what? The technologies are transforming industries and making AI and machine learning skills high desirable. Yes. People are looking for people that knows much about AI and machine learning. So if you acquire that skill of AI and machine learning, definitely you will get a job because you will be a sought after. AI and machine learning. So take note of that. AI and machine learning. I still have more that I will be talking about here. I still have more. Another one again which you can go for as tech skill that you can acquire in 2025. I'm talking about trending tech skills in 2025. Trending. If you want to hear more, just make sure you stay here. Don't go. I have a lot to tell you guys. A lot. Don't forget to drop. No, if you have question, you can go ahead to do what? To drop your question in the comment section. Drop your question in the comment section regarding should I learn tech skills? That is the topic we are treating. Should I learn tech skills? Should I learn tech skills? So if you have a question that you want me to throw more light to, drop your question in the comment section and I'll be glad to do what? I'll be glad to answer every question you ask. Should I learn tech skills? That is the topic we are treating. Now, another tech skill that is trending in 2025 is UI UX design. UI UX design. Now, which one is UI? Which one is UX? UI means user interface. UX means user experience. User interface, user experience. Yes. Now, UI, which is user interface and user experience design, is one of the things that is trending now. One of the hot cake that you need to dive into if you want to go into tech. It will take you time to learn this. User experience and user interface design are critical for creating user-friendly digital products. That's what we use it for. For creating what? User-friendly digital products. So if you want into tech, UI UX is another means, another thing that you can dive into, and you will learn this in no time. If you have a question, you can go ahead to drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer any question you want to ask. Once again, this is Femtech Computer Institute. My name is Johnson Akins. You guys have, at least you've had little, not even much about me. Johnson Akins. So here is Johnson Akins. I'm here for questions. I'm here to throw more light to any questions that has been bothering you regarding tech that you want to know more about. So I'm going to be here, rather, don't mind me, I have people around here. I'm going to be here from now till 5:30. So if you have any question, just 30 minutes on a topic, should I learn tech skills? Should I learn tech skills? That is the topic we are treating. Should I learn tech skills? Now, I'm now highlighting tech skills that are what? That are involved, that you can venture into. I've talked about UI UX, which is what? For creating user-friendly digital products. Another one again that you can go into is called digital products. Sorry, digital marketing, don't mind me. Digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is what? Marketing online is one of what is crucial for businesses. Marketing online now. No business now. You will see people sharing flyers like before. Gone are the days where you will see people going from one building to the other to distribute flyers. People don't do that again. All they do now is what? They market their products online. And people that are into these are called digital marketers. So if you want to do what? If you want to become a digital marketer, it's fine. It's still under the tech. You are going to make cool cash from you being a digital marketer. You are going to make cool cash, good money, digital marketing skill. So marketing online is crucial for businesses. Making digital marketing skills highly relevant. So if you know how to do what, if you know how to market, if you have that skill of marketing, you don't have problem. You will make money because people will look for you. Even companies will look for you. Companies are looking for digital marketers, not marketers any longer. Gone are the days they will say they are looking for marketers. Now they are looking for digital marketers. So if you want to work with an organization, let's assume you go to school and your course of study in school, your discipline turns to be marketing. I will advise you to do what? To acquire the skill of digital marketing. Yes, to add to what you have learned in school. Reason why is because no company out there will employ marketer without knowing how to use it online, without understanding the digital aspect of it. And if they are going to, that means they are going to give the person peanuts, and that person will work and work his or herself out based on peanuts. So the very best thing is what? To acquire digital marketing skill. You get that right? Digital marketing skill. If you have a question on that same thing, drop your comment. I will put you through on how to go about learning digital marketing in few weeks, and you will be grounded in it. Drop it. Put a comment down there. If you want to throw a live chat, go ahead. Yes. You can ask questions. If you want to go into digital marketing, I will guide you and I will put you through. Yes, I will put you through on how to do that. Now, another skill that you can acquire, another tech skill is called project management. Project management. That is another tech skill that you can learn. Another tech skill, project management. Now, project management remains a vital skill as technology continues to evolve and companies navigate digital transformation. So you can also acquire project management skill if you want to venture or you want to go into tech fully. That is another one, project management skill. Project management skill. If you have question, you can go ahead to ask question. This is an opportunity for you to ask question. Also, another one again which I would like to add to this is called the web development on its own. Web development. Now, the web development remains the foundational skill for building and maintaining websites and online platforms. Web development. That one is even common now. Web development. Some people will say, no, I want to learn web programming. No, some will say it is web development. Either web development or web programming, they are the same thing. Don't get yourself confused here. Web development, web programming, they are the same. So if you are going into web development, fine. If it is web programming, it's still the same thing. So you'll be talking of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, you'll be talking of TypeScript, talking of Angular, you'll be talking of Node.js, Vue, and so on. PHP, Python, and what again? We have so many like that. So many. So if you want to acquire this skill, you can do what? You can do that in few weeks, and you will become what? A sought after. Now, if you start learning, you may not be grounded at it, but in no time, as you continue practicing it, you will become very, very good at what you do. And now, I'm going to, let me just quickly run it up. I have just 30 minutes, and that's what I'm trying to work with. If you want to acquire any of these skills, tech skills that I have made mention so far, you can consult or contact Femtech Computer Institute. Femtech Computer Institute, where? Number 27, Governors Road, Ikotun, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, it is not only on-site training that we render, You can be in your house, even you can be anywhere in the country, even outside the country. So far you are in the world, so far you are in this same world that we have, we get across to you. So we offer on-site and online training on any computer application or package that you want to learn. Yes, any computer application or package. So you can send a WhatsApp message or you put a call across. The number still remain plus 234 81 38 36 73 73. 38, sorry, plus 234 81 38 36 73 73. Yeah, so in case you want to learn any of these tech skills which I have mentioned so far, you can chat the school up. Just send a WhatsApp message and you'll be attended to. And for those that does not even have computer knowledge at all, maybe you don't even have computer knowledge at all, you cannot even use computer at all. Yes, we have a package that you can learn, you can apply for, and in few weeks, you will be able to operate computer very well, in few weeks. So if you don't know how to use computer, or you are not good at it, you don't even know how to work with computer, and you are eager to learn, still send WhatsApp message to that same number, plus 234 81 38 36 73 73, and you will learn in few weeks. Yes. So after you've taken that step to learn the basic, which is the foundation aspect, then you can now do what? You can upgrade yourself by learning a professional skill, like the tech skills which I highlighted so far. So you can move to any of these, and in case you don't want to go into tech fully, you can still retain what you are doing. You can still do you can still focus on your career. You can still focus on your career and make sure you do what? Make sure you upgrade yourself in tech. Reason why is because, how does it sound for you to run a business? Either you are a CEO or whatsoever you may call yourself, or the MD or whatsoever, and you are bringing people in, tech people to come and work for you, and you yourself, you don't have an idea of what they are doing. No. Yes, because at least, even though you are not good at what they are doing, you should have basic idea of what they are doing, so that in case they tell you, okay, we need to pay for hosting or the website domain, we need a renewal of what? The hosting and the domain. It should not sound new to you. You should know what they are trying to say. Yes. The website needs to be maintained, or we need to do some maintenance. We're having some bugs, or we're having some errors on the website. The website is down. This should not sound new to you. Or you now give one of your people's work to do, maybe a secretary, do this maybe prepare this document for me on the system, and the secretary is telling you, sir, the window is corrupt, or the system is not coming up. You're not asking, what do you mean by that? I don't understand. No, it should not be. At least you should have an idea of what tech is all about and how it works, even though you are not a specialist in it. You should have the basic knowledge and understanding. Yes. So tech is mandatory for everybody, and that is the summary. Irrespective of whatsoever you are doing, you need to do what? You need to learn tech. Yes, you have to go into tech skills. At least have the basic knowledge, even though you are not a guru, even though you are not a specialist in it. You should have the basic understanding of whosoever that you want to employ. You should have the basic understanding. And we've come to the end of today's topic, and the topic still remains: should I learn tech skills? Now, if I should ask you, should you learn tech skills? And the answer is what? Yes. Yes, you need to learn tech skills. My name still remains Johnson Akins from Femtech Computer Institute, a place where we build the computer gurus. A place where we build the computer gurus without wasting time. Bye-bye. See you guys next time. Love you and bye.